In a certain village there lived a potter. His wife didn't care about anything, so people called her Dontcare. One day they had a big quarrel. The potter left home in anger and went to the forest. There he ate some guavas. While eating, he saw a deep ditch under a tree. After some time, he returned home. He said to her,
"Today I saw a guava tree. Tomorrow I will go to eat its fruit."
At this Dontcare said, "I will also like to eat it." The next day, she followed the potter. On purpose, the potter walked towards that tree over the ditch. Dontcare rushed forward to reach the fruits before her husband could. She slipped and fell into that deep ditch. The potter went home. He went back on the third day with a rope to pull his wife out of the ditch. He threw down an end of the rope into the ditch. But instead of his wife, a ghost started climbing up the rope. The ghost pleaded,
"Friend, help me out of here, please. A woman who doesn't care has been giving me hell."
The potter pulled him out. The ghost said,
"Friend, I will possess people. You exorcise them and make money."
The ghost came to the village with the potter. People began to be possessed by the ghost. The potter would exorcise the people. The potter became rich. Once the ghost said,
"Now I will possess Headman's daughter. Don't exorcise her. If you do, I will kill you."
The ghost possessed her. The headman asked the potter to free his daughter. The potter said,
"I would if all the people of the village collect in front of your house in their bullock carts."
When people collected, the potter said,
All of you yell, "Dontcare's coming! Dontcare's coming!"
They do the same as they were told. The ghost found himself being ejected out of the girl's body. The ghost said to the potter,
"Why did you do that? I will kill you as promised."
The potter said,
"I am helping you, friend. That woman, Dontcare, has really arrived in the village."
The ghost trembled in fear. He flew back to his ditch and found Dontcare dead. Long ago bitten by poisonous scorpions. He started living there fearlessly as before. On the other hand, The headman married his only daughter to the potter and gave him all his wealth. The ghost informed the potter that their enemy, Dontcare, was dead. Moral: some people deserve to be dealt with cunning.